today we are at newly inaugurated Sandvik Innovation Hub in Pune, where GibbsCAM is hosting its second annual Reseller Meet.
GibbsCAM had a great development in the last 3 years. We grew really over average and above the market average in the CAM business. And this is very clear. We are just in the beginning. GibbsCAM has the potential to grow by double easy if we do a proper job in the next couple of years. And that is my driver, my motivation. And I will push my team and our partners to go above the limit and to go the extra mile to reach this doubling of revenue.
Sandvik Innovation Hub, which is our one place for all the intelligent manufacturing software units within Sandvik to come together and innovate for the future. This is where all the R&D will take place for all the business units across the world. And it is strategically positioned here in India because India is one of the markets we see where the growth will be. Where growth is. So this is where we're driving this innovation, and this hub is a great facility for all of our resellers and partners to come together, share ideas, and bring about the technology for the future.
If you look at the modern manufacturing, it is not only about the cutting tool and the machine tool. And being with the GibbsCAM, it bridges the gap between cutting tool and the machine tool. And it is a digital transformation which is happening in the Indian market today.
In India, GibbsCAM is happening because it's one of the best product available in the CAM domain, I can say, because of like multitask machines are coming up more and more in Indian market.
Here in Sandvik Innovation Hub, we are showcasing our capabilities in joint with the GibbsCAM, and it's also like we are also planning in our future that how this can support to our customers and for the new good projects here in India.
GibbsCAM being a part of Sandvik ecosystem, I really believe that there is a lot of things to be offered to the customer in the manufacturing side. When it comes to production machining, GibbsCAM is one of the widely used CAM software around the world. In India, though it does not have that much presence, but I can see that in last few years, GibbsCAM, in fact, after becoming a part of Sandvik, GibbsCAM is now trying to show their presence in India, to put their foot in the Indian market.